The 1965 Volkswagen March Hare is one of the rarest and most distinctive Volkswagen-based kit cars ever produced. Created during the 1970s, a decade known for creativity in fiberglass automotive design, the March Hare stood out for its futuristic wedge-shaped body and limited production. It was developed by Jim Edwards and John Marshall, head of the Brigham Young University Design School, and manufactured by Pegasus Design in Arlington County, Virginia. The March Hare was built on a shortened Volkswagen Beetle chassis, using fire-retardant fiberglass resin for the body. Pegasus promoted it with the slogan, "Champagne styling at beer money," promising exotic looks at an affordable price. The car featured a lightweight yet strong construction and a rear-mounted Volkswagen engine, often upgraded for better performance. Its design, with a sharply sloped windshield and low angular bodywork, anticipated styling trends that became common in sports cars years later. Despite its innovative appearance, the March Hare struggled commercially. Only about 7 units are believed to have been produced, and even fewer survive today, some only as unfinished kits or empty shells. One of the best-known examples is a bright orange model built by Bruce Kirk and his son in St. Louis in 1988, using a 1965 Beetle chassis and a 1,641 cubic centimeters engine. This car retained its original 1970s supercar interior, including vinyl bucket seats and a custom dashboard, and went on to win several show trophies. Occasionally, surviving March Hares appear for sale, such as one listed by Gateway Classics near St. Louis and another featured on Hemmings. Prices have ranged between $12,000 and $16,000, reflecting the model's extreme rarity and collector appeal. Today, the 1965 Volkswagen March Hare remains a symbol of experimental automotive design, combining the simplicity of the Beetle with the imagination of the kit car era. Its scarcity, bold styling, and hand-built nature make it a fascinating relic of a time when creativity, not mass production, drove innovation.